High-quality, Airbrush Food Color, DecoPac Edible Airbrush for cake decorating delivers intense shades and color consistency every time. This food airbrush kit add-on can be for all your cake and cookie needs. Colorful, Airbrush Food Coloring in eye-catching colors transforms plain cakes to brilliant with colors from the DecoPac Cake Airbrush range. Mix and match this edible airbrush paint for cakes and create artistic cakes, cupcakes, cookies and other goodies. Ready to use, DecoPac Airbrush Food Color is compatible with most cake airbrush decorating kits for adding dazzling effects to your cakes, icings, and cake decorations. Suitable for use with fondant, gum paste, chocolate coloring, and more. Food safe, DecoPac Edible Airbrush Color for cake decorating is 100% safe to use on all your cake and cookie products. Made in the USA, our edible cake spray food coloring is the go-to edible paint for chocolate and other cake and cookie style foods. Professional, give your cakes and cookies a professional touch. Our extensive DecoPac range of airbrush for cake decorating colors has everything you need to give your cakes that professional touch. Top reviews from the United States. Great color to mix with on cakes. I use white to mix with other airbrush colors to keep the color consistent on large areas when I need to on cakes. It's pretty useful in that way. Since the liquid is opaque and not as liquidy as the others, make sure to wash out your nozzle really well after because it dries faster it seems. Haven't used it on a dark base yet but have seen interesting cake designs using white airbrush on top.